everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO. Very nice car, guys. Well, the paint on this car, he said, is about 25 years old. That is what is the oldest part of the restoration. They've actually just upgraded the interior. The drivetrain was gone through not too long ago. So, but the paint on the car, yes, you can pick it. It's older paint. Still looks great. I mean, this is a clean, straight GTO, good car, but like I say, the paint on it, he said, is about 25 years old. Factory color combination, which I love, Mariner turquoise with the factory turquoise interior. I thought that was so cool. You can see they put a aftermarket set of American Racing torque thrust on it. But really just a good car. Real 242 GTO. Does have the PHS documentation. That comes with it. You can see it's got the original headlight bezels. A lot of that trim is actually original. Said they did replace the bumpers. There. Again, you see a couple little touch-ups. You can pick at the paint. Again, really nice. He took it to car shows. You're not going to be ashamed of it, but you can, like I say, it's got older paint on it. New mirrors. Matter of fact, he upgraded the other. It had a funky aftermarket mirror on it. He took that off, and it left a little mark there in the paint, so you can kind of pick around that other mirror too. Love this color. Really pretty color combination, and the color you do not see very often. And again, it is factory. They did, like I say, they changed the bumpers, new bumpers. Car's nice and straight down the side, sits good, really drives good. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system on the car. Factory 335 horse engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's even got the stock Harrison radiator with a shroud, power steering, power brakes. They did upgrade it. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans, where these cars would have been a 2-speed automatic. This one's actually got a 400 in it. That's what he said. This has just been a good car, man. Said the car just really hit the road good. You kind of pick the A-pillar chrome. Again, new mirror. You can see the mark, the other mirror left. This is the original stainless across the top. Looks like they changed the door handles, new door handles. See, the door seams are clean. Again, they did just redo the seats in the car, so those have just been redone, all repatted, refoamed, very nicely done. New carpet. I've got new mats on the way for it. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the His and Hers dual gate shifter in it. Headliner looks great. Showing 13,000. I'm sure that's 113. He did not know the exact mileage on the car since it was done. Aftermarket tach and gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio with a audio sound CD player. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Again, good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has got the factory rear axle with a 355 safety track. They also added a rear sway bar. You can see this thing is nice and clean. It's a good, solid, straight car. PHS docs go with the car. That's just a little write-up he had with it. Red line spare. Really good car. Clean underneath. Like I say, the floors look good. And those seats are really nice, really nicely done. The wood grain dash, center console's in good shape. Again, same thing on that 8-pin. Like I say, just runs and drives as sweet as can be. So the car really just hits the road good. No big cam or anything like that. Pretty much stock rebuild. I love those front ends on these GTOs. Tach works. Really just a fuel gauge, everything else is down there. Holding good oil pressure, temp gauge works down there. Backup lights flicker, so I'm sure they'll work. Yeah, you can see them there. It needs a little adjustment for the lights. They'll work. Again, good sound and dual exhaust. Just a good car. So we couldn't get the radio to come on. Blower motor does work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of my inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification every time we post a video. You can do that by pushing that little red button there. That is just a good looking car, man. Love the color. Absolutely love the color. Have a great day, guys.